Good afternoon, boys and girls. Coming back to you with our Letterlanders of the day. We're introducing two new Letterlanders. The first one is Walter Walrus. This is what he looks like. He's one of my favorite Letterlanders. He has got some deep water wells that he has water in, and he enjoys splashing everybody with his water wells. So when we see Walter Walrus, we hold up our hands like this and we splash everybody with our water. This is Walter Walrus and what he looks like in Letterland. But when we have books out, this is the letter we're going to see. It is the letter W. Say that with me, W. And his sound is woo, woo. Very good. All right, Walter Walrus loves to splash water out of his water wells. And here's a cup of water. He also loves to look at the weather outside of his window. And not my favorite animal in the world, but this is a beautiful web built by a spider. Our next Letterlander we're going to meet and use is Fix-It Max. Max is a little boy who loves to help around the house by fixing different things. He finishes words, which means the X is usually at the end of the word, like box, fix, and fox. The letter X has two sounds that are squished together, the K sound and the S sound. So when you put it together, it says X, like you're kissing somebody. X. Or when you open a soda can, it makes that hissing. Some vocabulary cards we associate with Fix-It Max is a fox. This is a fox. He loves to run fast. And this is Max's pet. This is a box. Inside the box is a mystery in Letterland. And we've seen this number before. I showed it to you when we were talking about Sammy Snake and how it starts with a sound for the number 6, but it ends with a X sound like Max. Fix-It Max, the letter X. So this is the number 6. This is what Fix-It Max looks like in Letterland, but when we see him at the end of words, we just see an X. To show you his motion, when we see Fix-It Max, we cross our arms and we say, X. Try it with me. X. Very good. We'll see you guys later.